previous videos we are just going through the chapter number 5, that is integers. Okay students, so in that we have just reached on the addition of integers. Okay, addition of integers, addition using number line and addition using number line and add without number line. So both are given over here. So addition using number line. So in that, if I tell that I am just taking the example number 9. Example number 9 is given over here. So in the example number 9, I can say that, see here, add -3 to 5. -3 to 5. Okay, so how we will add? First of all, you have to draw a number line over here. So where it is -3 to 5, add -3 to 5. So I will start with -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so in that what they have told us, we have to add -3 plus 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our answer will be 2. Our answer will be plus 2. See here, it is represented on the number line, and another is you have to add. So this only we will understand adding this without number line. So how we will add this? So -3 plus 5. So minus plus minus, but 5 minus 3, 2. But here bigger number has plus sign, so here will be plus sign. So your answer will be plus 2. So here there is plus 2. See here, example number 10. You can do it by your own. And example number 11. See here. Here both the values are minus. In the example number 11. Here in the example number 11, both the values are minus. So -2, -3. So you have to add. So first of all, we will use the method. So -2 plus -3. So here what will happen? -2 plus -3. So minus there will be plus. 3 plus 2, 5. But which? -5, because here the higher has minus sign. So here will be also minus sign. Then moving towards next and drawing the number line for this. So -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So what they have done? -2 plus -3. So here it is -2. In that what we have to do? -3. So this is 1, 2, 3. So this is -5. Okay students, this is -5. So in that this way we have to do example number 11. And see here in the exercise 5b, you have to do question number 1 according to the number line which is given over here in the given figure to answer the following. So you have to draw this like structure and you have to add all these. So -2 plus -3, then what you have to do? -2, then -3, -3, -4, -5. A answer will be -5. B -6, -1. So -6 to 1 jump, that is -7, and O, that is 8 plus -8. So 8 minus 8, that is 0. So first of all you have to take a point to 8 and then have to take minus 8 jumps. So 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. It will be at 0 and here is in the P, that is minus 8 plus 8. So minus 8 to 8 jumps. Minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. Okay students, and then comes here another I am just taking is J, minus 6 plus 6. So minus 6 plus 6 jumps, then minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Then here question number 2 is given. Add the following integers. So here we have to add this according to this. We have to add. Here I am just solving that. From this I will just try to solve all most of. So here in the exercise 5B question number 2, that is now taking D, that is minus 3 minus 2. We have to add this. Then how we will add this? So minus 3 plus minus 2, then it will be minus 3 minus 2, that is minus minus plus 3 plus 2 5, but minus 5. Taking the another one, we will take F. If we take F, that is 8 and 6, we have to add 8 and 6. So 8 plus 6, that is 6 plus 12 plus 2, 14 is our answer. Okay students, moving further and use the number line to solve the following. Here you have to use number line like this in the question number 3 and solve all this. So according to this you have to solve question number 3 and question number 4. Add the following. So you have to do that using example number 12 and 30. See here, but we will not solve example only. We will just directly move towards example of exercise questions that are so over here in the question number 4. Here question number 4 we were taking E. How we have to do minus 20 and minus 30. This you have to do. You have to add this. Then how you will add? So minus 20 plus minus 30. So it will be minus 20 minus 30. Minus minus it will be plus. So minus 20 minus 30, that is minus 50. Okay, taking another one, C. So here C is plus 8 and minus 20. Plus 8 and minus 20. So how you will solve this? So in that 8 plus minus 20. So 8 plus minus minus 20. So plus minus minus. So 20 minus 8, that is 12. Here, but the bigger number has minus, then here will be minus. Okay students, moving further. Here question number 5 is given. In that there are many of the digits given. So we will solve that question number 5. Question number 5. That is from that I will take E. Question 5 E. 704 plus minus 4 plus minus 10 plus 10 plus minus 100. Okay, students. So these are question 5E. This is the question 5E. So in that 704 plus minus minus 4 plus minus minus 10 plus 10 minus 100 plus minus minus. So here minus 10 and plus 10 will be 0. So I have just cutted. Then comes here 704 minus 4 minus 100. It will remain as. So what if I minus 704 minus 4? That is 700 minus 100. So your answer will be 600. 700 minus 100, that is 600. Please note down this. This is the exercise 5E, question number 5E. Then we will go to the B. So B is the exercise 5B, question 5B, that is minus 726 789 726 and minus 236. So we have to add this. So first of all, just writing this minus 726 plus 789 plus 726 plus minus 236. Okay, moving and another step, that is minus 726 plus 789, then comes plus 726 plus minus minus 236. Here you can see this is plus minus 726 and this is plus 726, then it will be 0. So I have just cut it and the remain is 789 minus 236. So here 9 minus 6, 3, 8 minus 3, 5, 7 minus 2, 5. So your answer is 553. Okay, students, please note down this. And directly moving towards subtraction of integer. In that, see here in the exercise 5C. Exercise 5C, question number 1, how you have to do? Exercise 5C, question number 1, simplify so that in that the D, that is minus, and D then comes B, that is minus of minus 20. see here from the exercise, this two I am just solving. Then minus minus will be plus 70. Sign will be changed. Here minus, so the sign will be plus. Here also, as it is minus minus will be plus 20. Okay students, minus minus will be plus 20. Here in the question number 2, subtract the following. So from that question number 2, I will take any of these two. First I will take f, that is minus 7 minus of 9, and then we will take is c, that is 8 minus of minus 10. Then we will take d, 16 minus of minus 7. Okay, so here how we will solve? Here first of all will be minus plus 9. So minus plus minus, 9 minus 7, 2. Here bigger sign has plus, so here will be plus 2. Then comes c, that is 8. Then minus plus, and here will be 10. So 8 plus 10, that is 18. Then coming towards another one, that is 16 minus plus 7. So 16 plus 7, that is 6 to the 12, 22 plus 1, 23. 16 plus 7, that is 23. Please note down this, students. Then here question number 3. Question number 3 is given. So in that, how you have to solve the question number 3. So from that I am just taking any of the two. First of all we will take f, 5 minus of minus 1 minus 8. Then we will take d, that is minus 3 minus of minus 8 plus 9. So how we will solve this? So here it is 5 minus plus, so 8 plus 1, 9, but the sign will remain minus. Then comes 5 minus plus, then 9 plus 5, that is 14 is your answer. Then going towards this d, that is minus 3 and minus of minus 8 plus 9. So minus plus minus, 9 minus 8, 1. But the sign will remain plus because 9 has sign plus. Bigger number sign will be there. Then opening the bracket, minus 3 minus plus minus 1. So minus plus, so 3 plus 1, there will be 4, but the sign will remain minus. Okay, in this way you have to do question number 3. Then after just moving towards question number 4. So question number 4. Question number 4, that is subtraction So in that, first of all, taking E, that is minus 85 from 0. Taking another one, C, that is minus 135 from 360. So first of all, just doing this two. So what we have to do? We have to subtract 0 minus 85. So 0 minus minus plus 85, that is 85 is your answer. And moving towards next. So 360 from minus 315 from 360. So we will write like this. Okay, students. So here will be 360 minus minus, there will be plus, and here will be 315. Okay, students, 315. Okay. Now adding this, 0 plus 5 will be 5, 6 plus 1, that is 7, 3 plus 3, that is 6. Okay, students, 3 plus 3, that is 6. This is the question number 4, E and C. Then question number 5. Question number 5, solving over here. So, question number 5 here. Question number 5, that is simplify. In that we will do f minus 6 minus of plus 3, and also we will take E, that is minus 8 minus of minus 9. Then another we will take, that is B, minus 13 minus of plus 14. So we will solve this 3 from the question number 5. Here minus 6 minus plus minus 3, it will be minus minus plus, so 6 plus 3, that is 9. Then the sign will remain minus. Then another one, minus 8 minus minus plus 9. So minus plus minus, so 9 minus 8, that is 1. But the sign will remain plus. Why? Because 9 has plus sign. Moving next, here minus 13 minus plus minus 14. So minus minus, it will be plus. So 4 plus 3, that is 7, and 1 plus 1, that is 2, but sign will remain minus. So this is the question number 5, F, E and P. Okay, students, please note down this. And here is the question number 6. Subtract the sum of first of all, what you have to do, question number 6, subtract the sum of 28 plus minus 12, and then after we have to subtract from 50. Okay, so let us do that. So first of all, we have to add 28 and 12. So 28 plus 12, that is 28, plus minus minus 12. So your answer will be 8 minus 2, 6. 2 minus 1, 1. And we have to subtract the sum of this from this. So what we have to do? 50 minus 16. So the answer will be 10 minus 6, 4. and 4 minus 1 there will be 3. So your answer is 34. Please note down this, students. Okay students, have you written down this? And here we have just completed the chapter. Okay, and now we will start our new chapter, that is 11, basic geometrical ideas. In that, first of all we will study about the plane. What is plane? Means the board is a plane in which I am just writing this all things, and then comes point. So what is point? If I just put a point over here, so point is, this is the point in the plane, this is the point. Okay, and from that line segment, ray, let us see one by one all the things. So here chapter number 11. So that is, in that the first topic is plane. So plane means, if I take this board and this is the plane. Okay students, this is the one type of plane. And then the next topic is point. So in the plane there are points here. If I made a point over here, and from that point I can draw line segment, ray. So this is line which I have drawn from the plane. So the another topic was line segment and ray. Line segment and ray. Okay, and ray. So here you can see a line is given, and then after line segment is given, and then after rays are given. So here RQ ray or QR ray, all the things are given, and then comes angle. Here, what is angle first of all? If I have just made this line, from this only I have just made an angle. So if I take it, this is the point Q and this is the point R. Okay, and from here if I build an angle, so the between this is an angle, and the point, that is vertex, and this is the arm from which the angle is made. Okay, this is also the arm. Okay, so this is the angles, and then comes interior angle and exterior angle. Okay, interior angle and exterior angles. So for that, the angle which is inside, this is known as interior, and the angle which is outside, it is known as exterior angle. Okay, the angle which is inside, it is known as interior, and which is on the outside is known as exterior angle. Okay students, moving further, and adjacent angle. Here now we will talk about the adjacent angle. So what is adjacent angle? If there is an angle and from between that if I draw an angle over here, and this is known as the adjacent angle. See here it is written two angles which have a common arm on a common vertex and lie on the either side of a common arm are called the adjacent angles. See here it is drawn like this. This is the adjacent angles. Okay students, see here in the exercise 11a, study of the given figure and answer the following. Name the 3 points. Means here 3 points which are there, P, Q and R. You have to name these points, there P, Q and R, and name the 3 line segments. Date I will say PQ, PR, PQ, QR and PR. These are the 3 line segments. And here study the figure and answer the following. Name the 3 rays. That is first ray, that is AB ray, AC ray, AD ray. And name the 3 angles. So first angle is BAC, CAD and BAD. These are the 3 angles. Then classify each of the following angle as a line, line segment, line or ray. So this you have to draw. That there is an angle A, then you have to draw an angle A. Then in B, it is BAC. So you have to draw like this. BAC is given, angle BAC. So this is A will be over here, B is over here, and C is over here. So this is angle BAC. Then a ray AB is given. So how to draw a line ray? This is the ray AB. Okay. Then line BC. So this is the line B and C, and there is a line AC that you have to do. That is line segment AC that you have to do by yourself. Name the geographical figures representing the following in the given map. Okay students, so here they have said that LS Road, name the geographical figure representing the following in the map given below. So you have to take the LS Road, then after street 1, then after this all the things you can do, but this will not be asked in the exam. Okay students, if you will not do then it will be okay. Then comes question number 5. In question number 5, a ray is given, PR ray, in between there is a midpoint, that is Q. So then noted down the rays given in the above figure as follows: PQ, QR, PR, QP, RP, RQ. The teacher said the only 2 of these are correct. Identify these 2 and circle them. So a PQ and QR is given. So from that only 2 is correct. So which Jane has just told. So that is PQ, QR, PR. Another one is QP, RP, RQ. And here is the ray P, Q, R. Okay. So let us find out this. To first of all try by yourself students. So the first ray is PR. So is there any PR over here? Yes, it is over here. Then one ray is that, and the another one is QR. So QR is there? Yes, QR is there. So these are the two rays from this all. That is the ray PQR. Okay, students. In this you have to circle them. Next, name the ray which makes. Name this line in three different ways. So you have to name this line in three different ways, students. How we will just do. First of all, try by yourself, students. Next, name the ray which makes up the angle, and name the angle in three different ways. So we have here to write the three angles which is made it. Okay, students. First of all, also try this by yourself. So in the question number so here in the question 6, the answer will be the line AB, line BA and L. So these three will come. And question number 7, so in the question number 7, there will be OP, OQ, angle POQ, angle Q, OP, angle O or angle 3. In the question number 7, these are the answers. And question number 8, see here, name all the line segment that you have to do by your own. And also in the question number 9, that you have to do by your own. Okay. Now moving towards measuring line segments. So that we will do in our next video. Measuring the line segments, that we will do in the next video. And in your homework, you just complete the exercise 11A. Okay, students, we will meet in the next video. Bye, students.